Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to deal with a topic on writing skill, that is note making. I am referring to page 148 of the textbook. Firstly, let us try to understand why do we need to make notes. We make notes so that we can remember certain important details. Also, it helps us to refresh our memory about something which we have read in the past. Now, suppose if you want to prepare for an examination or you want to write an essay or you want to be a part of the debate or a discussion, then taking notes would really help you. Now, let us try to understand two different things, that is note taking and note making. There is a very thin line of difference between the two. Okay, but then these two skills are totally different. Now, note taking is a passive process. Passive process meaning you are listening to it, you are not actively involved in it. You are just taking down the notes, which is like you are attending a lecture and the teacher is dictating the notes. So that becomes a passive process. So note taking at a glance gives a complete view of a paragraph or a content. So it also has certain main points and certain supporting details which you have heard during a lecture or a speech. Okay, and you can also take notes from various books and for different, which can be used for different purposes. Note making, on the other hand, is a active process. It's a more focused writing skill. Okay, you are putting your all attention and focus on writing and preparing a concrete connection. It may be in the form of a tree diagram, in the form of a column. So you are putting the subject matter accordingly and trying to develop the relationship or the connection between. So you can use various methods in that is like the point forms. It could be in the form of tree diagram or table form, etc. Although, as I said, it is different, but there are certain similarities between the two, that is note making and note taking. Okay, now note taking is like it helps you for your examination, for your future reference. Similarly, note making also does the same thing. Okay, and it helps. Why we are doing it? Because it's very difficult to remember a whole chunk of information. So if you're making it into notes, it becomes easier to recollect, and it is used especially to excel in studies, and students can concentrate better. So if you have a good language, then you can develop by yourself with the help of these points. Now, note taking and note making. So note taking, firstly what they say is you are jotting down the important points and involves only sight interpretation. So sorry, it doesn't involve any sight interpretation. Sight interpretation meaning it's not a visual presentation like note making. Note making makes use of maybe a web diagram, a flow chart, a tree diagram. So it is visual presentation. So note taking, usually it's in the form of a huge paragraph. So in note making, because you're showing the connections, it becomes easier to understand the content. So here you cannot make much changes. Note taking, as the notes are said, you do it like this. But in note making, you can make your changes according to your understanding. You can draw the diagram, show the connections, show the points, the sub points, right? You are taking points from one source at a time. So it's a lecture. You cannot listen to 2-3 lectures at a time, can you? No, you have to. While in a lecture you are listening to one teacher and you are taking down the notes, but here you can involve different sources, because you can just you can give a diagrammatic representation of from various sources, especially while making notes. Notes are usually written in long forms, long sentences, and it runs into paragraph, and here it is actually the shortest version as possible. So you can use abbreviation, short forms, symbols. That is one of the advantages of note making. And only gives the early configuration for the whole topic. It's the way the whole part is being arranged, configuration. The whole part is arranged like this. It has to be in that fashion, in that manner. But note making, you can easily grasp the important points. It directly your attention, you can come to the key points and understand the key points. Now notes are made from sources, they are handmade. When you are taking lectures, it's handmade, you don't type it out. But then note taking, it can be constructed by the learner himself. Okay, he can make his notes according to his understanding in any fashion whichever is required. It can be handmade or it can be computer typed as well. So this was the differentiation between two, that is note taking and note making. But we in the examination, we are just concerned with note making, and the different styles of note making are tables and charts, which can be like bar charts, pie charts, flow charts. It could be a line graph, the tree diagram, pictograms, maps and plans. So this is how we are going to deal with the note making. For a better understanding, we have I have given a solved example which you can go through and have a deeper understanding of note making. Okay, thank you.